CUET एग्ज़ाम के लिए जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन का या जो आपके क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड की जो सबसे बेसिक फाउंडेशन का पार्ट जो चैप्टर होता है दैट इज़ ऑफ नंबर सिस्टम, उसका हमने एक फर्स्ट पार्ट किया था जिसमें हमने आपसे सीखा था, हमने और आपने साथ में ये सीखा था कि जो नंबर्स की हम बात करते हैं तो हमारे कितने टाइप्स के नंबर्स होते हैं, क्या क्या नंबर्स होते हैं, उनको हम क्या क्या बोलते हैं। जैसे हमारा इवन नंबर्स हो गया, ऑड नंबर्स हो गया, फिर उसके बाद प्राइम नंबर्स, कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स, फ्रैक्शंस क्या हो गया, डेसिमल्स क्या हो गए, रिकरिंग डेसिमल्स, नॉन रिकरिंग डेसिमल्स। तो इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में हमने डिस्कशन किया था लास्ट क्लास में। तो अगर आपने वो वीडियोज़ नहीं देखे हैं, यू कैन गो बैक इन दिस सीरीज एंड यू कैन वॉच दैट एंड देन कम ऑन दिस वीडियो। नाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द सेकेंड टॉपिक जहाँ हम आपसे बात करते हैं क्यों हमारा यूनिट डिजिट है। अब यूनिट डिजिट केवल और केवल नंबर सिस्टम में हमें हेल्प नहीं करता, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस में हम आंसर निकालने में यूनिट डिजिट को यूज़ करते हैं। तो हम यूनिट डिजिट को लेकर के क्या क्या चीज़ें सीखेंगे। जैसे मान लो ये तो बहुत बेसिक हो जाता है, एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन। इसमें जब एडिशन या सब्सट्रैक्शन के क्वेश्चन दे रखे होते हैं तो हमें यूनिट डिजिट निकालना है, किस तरीके से निकालते हैं। फिर उसके बाद मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एक्सपोनेंट्स और फैक्टोरियल, इन तीनों से सबसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस बनने की पॉसिबिलिटी होती है। तो इनको हम बहुत डिटेल से बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझेंगे कि किस तरीके से हमें यूनिट डिजिट निकालना होता है और किस तरीके से हम यूनिट डिजिट निकाल सकते हैं। राइट, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस डिस्कशन। जब हम यूनिट डिजिट की बात करते हैं सबसे पहले हमें मतलब समझना है यूनिट डिजिट का मतलब क्या होता है। जैसे अगर मैं आपसे बात करूँ 3, 4, 5, 9, 8. If I'll be asking what is the unit digit of this given number, so I hope you guys understand that the digit that is at the unit place is called as what? That is called as unit digit. I hope all of you know that, but we are just covering from very basic. तभी मैंने स्टार्टिंग में आपसे बोला था कि ये गारंटीड है कि कोई ही ऐसा होगा जिसको ना समझ आए। अब जैसे मान लो, जैसे हमने किया 3, 4, 5, 7। अब यहाँ पे जैसे मैं आपसे बात करूँ, ये क्या है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज यूनिट डिजिट। ये क्या है, ये आपके लिए यूनिट डिजिट का काम करता है। ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये यूनिट डिजिट हो जाएगा। तो अब बहुत सारे जैसे बड़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स कैलकुलेशन आती है, जैसे हमने मान लिया 3179, राइट, मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2142, then multiplied by 3178, then after that 4238। अब आपको लगेगा यार इतनी बड़ी कैलकुलेशन का हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे फिर यूनिट डिजिट निकालेंगे, तो हम हमारा जो करने का तरीका होता है बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं होता। वो क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, वही कुछ हमें सीखना है। तो सबसे पहले हमें समझना है इसका यूज क्या है। जब हम यूनिट डिजिट की बात करते हैं तो यूनिट डिजिट का मतलब क्या होता है। अब जब यहाँ पे मैं आपसे यूनिट डिजिट निकालने की बात करूंगा तो 9, 2, 8, 8 इसको हम कंसीडर करके यूनिट डिजिट निकालते हैं। तो ये तो हो गई एक बात कि किस तरीके से हम यूनिट डिजिट निकालते हैं और यूनिट डिजिट का मतलब क्या होता है। अब उसके बाद जो बात हमें आगे करनी है, जो हमें सीखनी है, समझनी है, वो होती है यूनिट डिजिट को हम किस तरीके से अप्लाई करते हैं और क्या हमें इसके लिए एक्चुअल मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना होता है, या किस तरीके से हमें इन चीज़ों को देखना होता है, सीखना होता है, समझना होता है। सो जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकेंड एंड वी विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग दिस। चलिए, अब देखो हम क्या बात कर रहे थे, वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि जब हम यूनिट डिजिट की बात करते हैं तो किस तरीके से हमें यूनिट डिजिट निकालना होता है। तो उसके लिए हमने सबसे पहले जैसे द डिजिट विच एट द फर्स्ट प्लेस इज कॉल्ड एज यूनिट डिजिट, दिस विल बी एट द 10th प्लेस, राइट। तो इस तरीके से हमें इसको समझना होता है, सीखना होता है। अब हम जब बात करते हैं, जैसे मान लो अगर एडिशन में हमें निकालना हो यूनिट डिजिट कैसे निकालते हैं, तो वो हमें सीखना है। जैसे अगर मैंने आपको दिया 3158 प्लस 71542 519, then after that 348 737 82 and 9. Now if we need to find out what will be the unit digit in such a case, we don't need to add all these numbers, we will only and only add the digits at the unit place and we'll be finding the answer. Now 8 and 2 will be 10, 10 and 9 will be 19, 19 and 8 will be 27. Now again you just need to calculate the digit at the unit place. Even I don't need to say 19 or something like that. 8 and 2 10, that means 0. We don't need to count it. 9 and 8 17, 7 and 7 will be 14, 4 or 2 will be what, 6, and 6 and 9 will be what, 15. That means the digit at the unit place is going to be 5. Even if you add another way, you will be finding the unit digit, and this is something which is very basic, so we are not gonna do much calculation or much understanding of the same. हम इसको ज़्यादा नहीं समझने वाले, ज़्यादा नहीं सीखने वाले। 8 and 2 will be 10, 9 will be 19, 19 and 8 will be 27, 27 and 7 will be 34, 34 and 2 will be 36, 36 and 9 will be what, 45. So the unit digit will be 5, right? And the same goes with the, you know, subtraction thing. Some parts will be added, some parts will be subtracted. So what we'll do is we will add the unit place digits and we'll subtract it from the unit place and we'll be finding the answer. I hope you are able to understand, but you will be rarely you'll be getting question on it. You will never get question on it. It's as simple as that, right? Now come on multiplication. Now suppose it says 3142 multiplied by 349 multiplied by 721 multiplied by 344, right? We need to find out what will be the unit digit in such a case. So what we will be doing is we will just multiply the digits that are given at the unit place. Here this 2 is given, here this 9 is given, here this 1 is given, here this 4 is given. So what we will do is 2 multiplied by 9 will be giving 18, right? We will not consider 18, just consider 8 here. Now 8 will be multiplied by 1 will be giving what, 8 only. Now 8 will be multiplied by 4 will be giving what, 8 into 4 will be giving 32. So what will be the unit digit in such a case? The unit digit in such a case is going to be 2 only. I hope you guys are able to understand it. Now let's talk about the another part. Now suppose the other question comes here. Suppose I say 244 multiplied by 437 multiplied by 2219 multiplied by 466. What will be the unit digit in such a case? Now when I am going to multiply it 4 to 7, what will be getting? You will be getting 28. Now you don't need to multiply 28, you will be getting 28. Here only take the unit digit. Now 8 will be multiplied by 9, what will be giving? 72. So do not take 72, just take 2 from this side. Now 2 will be multiplied by 6 will be giving what? Will be giving 12. That means unit place is going to be 2 here. So what will be the unit digit? 2 only. So what you get? You only get to know about the unit digit. What will be the number at the unit place, and that is what we understand from this. So you can expect a question on multiplication. This is something where you can expect a question, but again this analogy will be used in some other type of question, but you will not surely get a question on the same. Now for an example, if I am saying 347 multiplied by 219 multiplied by 438 multiplied by 714. Now in such a case, if we need to find out that what will be the unit digit in such a case, so how will we finding it? We will just multiply the numbers or the digits that are given at the unit place. Now 7 will be multiplied by 9, it will be giving 63, but we don't need to consider this 63 in total. We will multiply the unit place digit by 8. What will be getting? 24. So again we will only and only consider the unit digit. 4 multiplied by 4 will be giving what? 16. So the unit place digit is going to be 6. So the unit digit is going to be 6 here in this case, right? So I hope now you guys understand how do we find out unit digit in such a case. Now again, it is not most probable that you will get question from this part. Now let's talk about the another thing. Now the most important part, now we are going to discuss. Now suppose if I say 341 to the power 2198. Now what will be the unit digit in such a case? Now suppose if I say 343 to the power 2178, what will be the unit digit in such a case? So question like these are asked in exam, right? So we need to talk about it. We need to understand how do we calculate it. Now suppose if I am saying 1 at the unit place, we need to understand a concept of called cyclicity, right? We will be understanding the concept of cyclicity, and then after that each and every question on unit digit you will be able to entirely solve only on the cyclicity. Now suppose if I am saying 1, right? If I am talking about 5, and then after that this 0 is there also, 0 1 5 6, these 4 numbers are there. So whenever you are getting these 4 numbers, either you are getting 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, like for example if I am saying 10, now whatever power you want to put here, even if you put 1, even if you put 1728, you will get what? You will get 0 at the unit place, and that is for sure. So even if you are finding 1 0 in the multiplication, or even if you are finding 1 0 at a base, and whatever power is given, what you can conclude from this point? You can conclude that the unit digit will be only and only 0 in such a case. Now 1 is given. Now 11 to the power 1 giving what? Will be 11 only, unit digit 1. Power 2 will be giving 121. What is you are getting? unit digit 1, power 3, 1331. What you are getting at the unit place? 1. So that means what we can conclude from this point, if you are getting 0 at the unit place, if you are getting 1 at the unit place, if you are getting 5 at the unit place, and if you are getting 6 at the unit place, what digit you will be finding at the unit place? The end result is going to be the number itself, the digit itself. So if you are finding 0, 1, 5, 6, you don't need to check any of these things. What you will be answer will be, your answer will be the similar thing. Now suppose let's solve one question on it. 1 1 2 3 4 0 to the power 1 7 9 8. What will be the unit digit? 0 only. So they are that level basic questions they are. We need to understand these things. अगर आप समझ गए तो इसमें कुछ भी टफ नहीं है. Then let's talk about the another part. 1 2 7 3 1 to the power 1 3 1 7 2 8. Now in such a case, what will be the unit digit in such a case? The unit digit will be 1 itself. We don't need to discuss that in details. I hope you understand that. Now let's talk about the another part. I am saying 3 6 3 7 6 9 6 to the power any number 1 2 3 4 5 for an example. What will be the unit digit in such a case? Now let's understand. 6 to the power 1 6, 6 to the power 2 36, 6 to the power 3 216, right? Even if you do 6 to the power 4, you will be getting 6 itself. So whatever power in such a case, whatever power you are going to put, you will be getting 6 and 6 and 6 only. So here what you are doing is, at the unit place you are getting 6 to the power any number, what will be getting the digit at the unit place? You will be getting 6 only. And same goes with this 5 also. 5 to the power 1 5, 5 to the power 2 25, 5 to the power 3 125, 5 to the power 4 625. What we are getting? We are getting 5 5 5 5. So that is the concept of cyclicity, right? So the first rule that you can note down if you are making notes on it, the rule number 1, if you are getting 0, if you are getting 1, if you are getting 5, if you are getting 6 at the unit place in any sort of exponents, what you will be getting at the unit place, the number that will be getting at the unit place, unit digit will be the number itself. Unit digit will be 0 1 5 6, right? Now let's talk about the another rule. Now suppose you are getting 4 or 9. Now in such a case, now let's understand first is 4. 4 to the power 1 4, 4 to the power 2 16, 4 to the power 3 64, 4 to the power 4, what will be getting? This will be 256, right? 4 to the power 4 will be 256. Now let's understand this, what you are able to observe here. Now in this case, what we are finding, in this case we are finding that unit digit 4, then 6, then 4, then 6. That means the rule number 2, what we can write here is rule number 2. We will note the rule, but first we will understand the concept. Now before that, let's talk about 9 also. 9 to the power 1 9, 9 to the power 2 81, 9 to the power 3 243, not 243, 9 1 9 729. Now what you are able to observe, 9 to the power 4, you know that if you multiply it by 9, it will be getting somewhere 6561, right? Right, we will be getting 6561. So in such a case, when you are putting power 1, you are getting 9 1, then again 9, then again 1. So what we can write here, in case of 4 and 9, if you are getting 4, so that means if you are getting 4 to the power odd number, what will be the unit digit? You will be getting 4 only. If you are getting 4 to the power even number, you will be getting what? 6 at your as your unit digit. Now this is the rule number 1. Now this sub rule of this rule number 2 is what? If you are getting 9 to the power odd number, what you will be getting at the unit place? You will be getting 9 only. If you are getting 9 to the power even number, what you will be getting at the end? You will be getting at the end what? At the end you will be getting 1 only. So that is the rule number 2. I hope you understand. Now what kind of question you can expect on this part? Let's also talk about that. Now suppose we are talking about 4 and 9, right? So if I am saying 3 4 3 4 2 4 to the power 1 7 2 9 8. Now here, if you are going by this 4 4 4 4, what you will be getting? Don't need to consider, don't need to do any of these things. Whatever number is given, you only need to focus on 4. What is the number that is given at the unit place? Now you are getting it at 4. What is this number? Even number. So what answer you will be getting? Whenever you are getting 4 to the power even number, the unit digit will be 6 only. So that is how, if you know the rules, you will hardly take seconds to get the answer. Now let's talk about the another part. If I am saying 41972 to the power 3198, what is happening here? 9 is at the unit place. 9 to the power what? 9 to the power even number, that means 1 is the unit digit. Now if I am saying it is 7 here, it is what? Now it is an odd number, so 9 to the power odd numbers, that means the unit digit will be 9 only. Here also if I say it's 7, so it is an what? Again it is an odd number, so 4 to the power odd numbers means what? 4 only. So that is the rule number 2 that we need to remember. Now what are the digits that we talk about? Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only these digits are possible, these 10 digits are possible. What we have done? We have done 0, we have done 1, we have done 5, right? We have done 6 also. Then after that what we have done? We have done 4 and 9. Now what is left? What is left? 2 is left, 3 is left, and then after that your 7 is left and 8 is left. We need to only talk about these 4 numbers. What is the cyclicity in such a case? Now for an example, whenever you are getting digit at the unit digit 2, now let's observe a pattern. 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, then after that 2 to the power 4, then 5, and then 6, and then 7, and then 8 is there, right? You must observe a pattern in all these kind of questions. Now here what is happening? You will be getting unit digit 2, you will be getting 4, here you will be getting 8, you will be getting 16, right? Now again let's start it. 2 to the power 5 will be giving 32, here you will be getting 64, again what you will be getting? Then again once you are going to multiply it by 2, you will be getting 128, and then again when you are going to multiply it, you will be getting 256. Now try to observe a pattern here. What you are finding? Here what is happening? 2 to the power 1, unit digit 2, power 2, 4, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. So it will keep on repeating. This same thing goes with 3 also. In 3 what is happening? 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 4, right? This will be 3 only, this will be 9 only, this will be 27, and this will be 81. Now if I am going to multiply by 3 to the power 5, what will be getting? 2, 4, 3. Then after that if I am going to do it, 3 to the power 6, 729. Then after that 3 to the power 7. Again if I will multiply it by 3, you know that you will be getting unit place 7. So 3971, 3971, 3971. So what we will be getting? We will be getting 3971. Now this is the concept that is called as cyclicity. Now what is happening? If you are finding at the unit place either 2, either 3, either 7, either what? Either 3 or 7 or 8. So if you are finding any of these numbers, even in this case 8 to the power 1, 8 will be there, 8 to the power 2, 16, not 16, oh sometimes we make silly mistakes. 8 to the power 2 will be what? 64. 8 to the power 3 will be what? 512, right? 8 to the power 4 will be what? Multiplied by 8, you will be getting 6, 8426, 8426, 8426, 8426. So this is the unit digit that will be getting in such a case. So this goes same with the 2, 3, 7, 8, all these numbers. Now how do we calculate it? Now for an example, you are getting a question 2, 3, 7, 8 to the power 192. Now how you going to calculate it? So try to understand. This is rule number 3 and that is the usual things. अभी तक तो हमने सीखा वो बेस था, यूनिट डिजिट का मतलब क्या होता है, हम कैसे निकालते हैं, क्या चीज़ें करने होते हैं, क्या कॉन्सेप्ट करने होते हैं, क्या एप्लीकेशन लगाना होता है. लेकिन जो अब हम सीखने वाले हैं, दिस इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ जब भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं हमें क्या करना है? 4 से पावर को डिवाइड करना है. अब यहाँ पे एक कॉन्सेप्ट है जो हम पहले सीखेंगे, 4 का डिविजिबिलिटी क्या होता है. कोई भी डिजिट 4 से डिविजिबल होगा या नहीं होगा, लास्ट के 2 डिजिट को 4 से डिवाइड करके देखो. अगर लास्ट के 2 डिजिट 4 से डिवाइड हो जाता है मतलब पूरा नंबर 4 से डिवाइड होगा. तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं ध्यान से देखूँ ये पूरा नंबर ही डिवाइड हो जाता है, मेरा रिमाइंडर 0 आता है. तो मैं क्या करूँगा? 8 टू द पावर 4 रखूँगा. जब भी देखो रिमाइंडर मेरा 0 आएगा, मैं क्या करूँगा? मेरा यूनिट डिजिट कितना हो जाएगा? 6 हो जाएगा. सिंपल सी बात है, ध्यान से समझना. आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व एटलीस्ट 10 क्वेश्चन ऑन द सेम थिंग. 1924 टू द पावर 1378, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, 3192 to the power 2196. Number 3, 5128 to the power 3129. Then after that, number 4, 366 to the power 718. Number 5, 7879 8, not 8, 787 to the power 787. Then after that, 9, sixth one, 368 to the power 819. Write it 1 here, huh? Then after that, 7 8 will be there. Now in the 8th one, 7192, we have done 8, we have done 7, we have done 6, we have done 5, 4. Have we done that? 4 is also done. 3 to the power 313. Now try to understand and solve it. If you know the answer, what you can do is you can pause the video right here and then you can come and check, are you getting the right answer or you are not getting the right answer. Now what is happening here? In case of 4, if you remember that, in case of 4 and 9, what is the rule? If you just need to check 4 to the power even number, that means unit digit will be 6. You are getting the answer. In case of 9, is there anywhere 9 is given? Nowhere given. So let's take another example, 319 to the power 319. So we are getting 9 to the power odd numbers. The answer is going to be 9 only, right? So that is how we find the answer. But here 2 is given. How do we find it? What we'll do is we will divide the power by 4. So we don't divide the complete number. We use the divisibility. So all the numbers are divisible by 4, which last two digits of the number, if last two digits of the number are divided by 4. So if I am going to divide it here, is it divisible? Try to understand. If I am going to divide 96 by 4, is it divisible? Yes, it is divisible. So whenever you are finding, if you are getting remainder as 1, 2, 3, either you will be getting remainder 1, 2, 3, or it will be completely divisible. That means you will get 0 as a remainder. So if you are getting as 1 as a remainder, so put power 1 and then find the answer. If you are getting remainder 2, put power 2 and you will be finding the answer. If you are 3, if you are getting 0, what you will do is, if you are getting 0, then you need to do, you don't need to do all of that. If you are getting 0, that means you will put power 4. That is the thing you need to keep in mind, and that is the place where most of the students get confused. So here I am putting, because we got the remainder 0, we will put power 4. And if you are getting power 4, what do we get? Now we have talked about it. 2 to the power 4 means unit place you will be getting 6. So that means the answer here is going to be, the unit digit will be 6 in such a case. Now in this same thing goes in the case of 8. I will divide the last two digits by 4. Now when I am going to divide it, I am getting remainder as 1. So 8 to the power 1, unit digit will be 8 only. Now here let's talk about 6. Now 6 multiplied by any of the number. We have done it, no? 0, 1, 5, 6. 6 will be divided by any of the number and you will be getting 6 only. So if you are getting 6 and 5 or 0 or 1, you just need to know कि यही answer है. 7. Now 7 to the power 787 divided by 4. What will be getting? 84 is divisible. You will be getting 3 as remainder, 7 to the power 3. And what is the unit digit in 7 to the power 3? 7 to the power 3, have we done anywhere? 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power, let's do it here. 7 to the power 1 will be 7 only. 7 to the power 2 will be 49. 7 to the power 3, you will be getting unit digit. So what will be the answer? The answer here is going to be unit digit will be 3. Now in such a case, 1 at the unit digit, 1 only. 3 at the unit place, 3 to the power 313 divided by 4. You will be getting 1 as a what? 1 as a remainder. So 1 is getting as a remainder. So put power 1 here. You will be getting 3 as your unit digit. So I hope we have done this sufficient question on this part. Now if there remains any doubt, do let us know in the comment box. We can make the another video. But the purpose here to continue the series is to make you understand what do we mean by unit digit and how do we calculate that. So these are the rules of cyclicity. Now what you need to keep in mind, we are just going to summarize it. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3 and rule number 4. We are just going to summarize it. Rule number 1 is what? If you are getting 0, 1, 5, 6, 0, 1, 5, 6, what will be the unit digit? Number itself will be the unit digit. Then after that, if you are getting 4 and 9, what will be the unit digit? If you are getting, now let's talk about 4, then after that we will talk about 9. 4 to the power even, you will be getting 6. 4 to the power odd, you will be getting 4. 9 to the power odd, you will be getting 9. 9 to the power even, you will be getting 1. This is rule number 2. Rule number 3, whenever any sort of number is given, this is about 4. Now whatever remaining numbers are there, 2 3 7 8, 2 3 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, total all numbers are covered. Now 2 3 7 8, in all these things what we'll be doing is, if these numbers are given, whatever power is given, power, whatever power is given, divided by 4. Now when you are going to divide by 4, divide only last two digit, last two digit, d and d, last two digit will be divided by 4. Whatever remainder you are getting, either you can get remainder as 0 1 2 3, you cannot get remainder of 4 or more than 4 because it will be divided. So you will be getting either remainder 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. So whatever remainder you are getting, either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, just put that remainder. If you are getting 0 as your remainder, power 4. If 1 1 2 2 3 3, so remainder 0 power 4, remainder 0 power 4, remainder 0 power 4, remainder 0 power 4. Why am I repeating all again and again? Because most of the students get confused when they are solving question on it, right? So you need to understand that. Then rule number 4 is whatever we have practiced it na, you just need to find a unit place. Whatever number is given 2 1 9 7 8, ये यहाँ पे 100 नंबर आ जाए, हमें बस यूनिट डिजिट पे फोकस करना है. पावर कितनी भी बड़ी आ जाए, हमें पावर के लास्ट टू डिजिट पे फोकस करना है, एंड यू विल बी फाइंडिंग द आंसर. आपके आंसर आएंगे, 100% आएंगे. चलिए, अब उसके बाद हमें समझना है फैक्टोरियल. अब फैक्टोरियल में हम कैसे निकालते हैं, हमें वो चीज़ सीखनी है, समझनी है. जैसे मान लो अगर मैंने बोला 1 फैक्टोरियल प्लस 2 फैक्टोरियल डॉट 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 99 फैक्टोरियल. अब यहाँ पे हमारा यूनिट डिजिट क्या आएगा, हमें ये निकालना है. या अगर मान लो हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना होता तो हमारा यूनिट डिजिट क्या आएगा, हमें ये निकालना होता. तो अब उसके लिए हमें समझना है कि जैसे अगर मैं आपसे बोलूँ फैक्टोरियल, पहले तो समझ लेते हैं बॉक्स में होता क्या है. बहुत से बच्चों को ये नहीं समझ आता. जैसे अगर मैं आपसे बात करूँ फैक्टोरियल, 5 फैक्टोरियल का मतलब क्या होगा, 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1. 6 फैक्टोरियल का मतलब क्या होगा, 6 इंटू 3 6 इंटू 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1. सो दैट इज हाउ वी कैलकुलेट द फैक्टोरियल. इस तरीके से हम क्या करते हैं, इस तरीके से हम फैक्टोरियल को कैलकुलेट करते हैं, फैक्टोरियल निकालते हैं. तो अब यहाँ पे 1 फैक्टोरियल कितना होगा, 1 होगा. 2 फैक्टोरियल कितना होगा, 2 होगा. लेकिन 3 फैक्टोरियल वैसे मैं सोचने लग जाना, 1 का 1, 2 का 2, 3 का 3. 3 फैक्टोरियल मतलब 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1. 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1 मतलब यहाँ पे 6 आएगा. 4 फैक्टोरियल मतलब कितना होगा, 4 फैक्टोरियल मतलब होगा 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1. दैट मीन्स इट विल बी 24, राइट. देन आफ्टर दैट अगर मैं आपसे 5 फैक्टोरियल की बात करूँ, 5 फैक्टोरियल कितना होगा, 120 होगा. 6 फैक्टोरियल कितना होगा, 720 होगा. अब ध्यान से अगर आप देखो, एक बार ये जीरो आ गया ना, अब ये आगे जितने भी नंबर आएंगे उसमें यूनिट डिजिट जीरो रहेगा. मतलब क्या हो गया, यहाँ से आगे जितने नंबर आएंगे वो सब तो जीरो 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 आता जाएगा. लेकिन उससे पहले जो है, उससे पहले जो नंबर है, 1 प्लस 2 कितना होगा, 3 होगा. 3 प्लस 6 कितना होगा, 9 होगा. 9 और 4 कितना होगा, 13 होगा. तो क्या आपको पता लग गया, 3 0 0 0 0 0. तो यूनिट डिजिट मेरा कितना आएगा, यूनिट डिजिट मेरा 3 आएगा. तो फैक्टोरियल हमारा सबसे आसान होता है, सबसे सिंपल होता है, अगर हमें कॉन्सेप्ट तरीके से समझ आ गया है तो. 1 2 6 4 इतना ऐड करना है, 1 2 6 4 1 2 6 4 1 2. अब ये कहीं तक भी आ जाए, ये 99 फैक्टोरियल नहीं, ये इन्फिनिटी तक भी आ जाए, तो भी मेरा यूनिट डिजिट क्या रहेगा, तो भी मेरा यूनिट डिजिट यही रहेगा, तो भी मेरा यूनिट डिजिट क्या रहेगा, यही रहेगा. अब जैसे मान लो अगर मैं आपसे बोलूँ 4 फैक्टोरियल टू द पावर समथिंग दे दिया गया, तो 4 फैक्टोरियल का यूनिट डिजिट मुझे निकालना आना चाहिए. 4 फैक्टोरियल कितना हो जाएगा, 24 हो जाएगा. और 24 टू द पावर कुछ भी दे रखा हो, 3 1 9 7 8, मुझे क्या देखना है, 4 है, 4 की पावर इवन नंबर है, 6 मेरा आंसर है, खत्म हो गई बात. अगर मान लो यहाँ पे 4 ना दे करके 5 फैक्टोरियल दिया जाता, अब 5 फैक्टोरियल की पावर कुछ भी दे रखी, 5 फैक्टोरियल मुझे पता 120 है, 120 की पावर कुछ भी देता रहे, जीरो मतलब जीरो, जीरो मतलब जीरो. So I hope I tried covering the entire concept in a very crisp, in a very detailed manner. I hope I am able to do the task. In case if you are not able to understand any concept, do let us know in the chat box. And if you are liking this series, do let us know that also in the chat box, because we are putting all the efforts so that we can make you understand the concept in a very crisp and detailed manner. So thank you so much for being with us. I wish you all the very best. Keep watching the series, keep learning, and we will definitely crack the CUET 2026.